am Nilesh Dalal, Managing Trustee for JD Education Trust, and today we are witnessing the final collection of all our graduating students. We call them JDINs and also Citizen of Imagination. And today is the day where they will showcase the final collection as portfolio. And let's watch who's going to be winning the title of the best designer.
My name is Sandra and I work with JD Institute as a director for the South region. I'm here to witness the JD Design Award 2022 by Hyderabad JD Institute. We are very proud to showcase the student collection who are graduating from this year. All the very best for everyone. Thank you.